Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and in this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how you can sync your personal calendar with Vacation Tracker using a simple iCal link. With an iCal connection, you can sync any calendar app of your choosing, and that includes Google Calendar and Outlook. But the trade-off using this connection method is that the data that is shared between the two does not happen in real time. So if you're using Google Calendar or Outlook and need to have real-time updates reflected in your calendar, then make sure to sync directly with either of those two options. Once you've logged in to your own Vacation Tracker account, you're going to head on over to the left-hand menu and then click on Calendar. From here, you're going to click on the Sync with your Calendar button, and then you're going to click on the Connect Calendar button. You'll see you have three options in the drop-down menu. To connect via an iCal link, you're going to click the last option, which is any calendar via iCal link. And now you're going to apply any filters of your choosing, whether you want to filter by locations, departments, or even a specific label in the system. If you leave the filter blank, then it will sync the information across all departments, all locations, and all labels. Once you click on Create iCal Link, a new link will be created for you and you can copy it to your clipboard. With your iCal link in hand, you can now open up your preferred calendar app. Depending on the app you're using, the instructions may vary, but essentially you're looking to add a new calendar or adding a new calendar subscription. And you should see an option for you to place the link that we just copied before. Once you paste it in, you may also be asked to give the calendar a name, a color, potentially an icon, and which section of your calendars you'd like to add. And once you click on OK or Import, the system will now connect the two and you should get a message once it's complete. So when you go to look at your calendar, the information from Vacation Tracker will now be populated there, and you can also choose to turn this off or on depending on when you need to see it. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. If you want to learn more about the different ways you can sync Vacation Tracker with your calendar, then feel free to check out our Help Desk Center, which has tons of articles covering the subject in much more depth. And if you run into any issues whatsoever while using an iCal to sync with your personal calendar, then don't be shy about reaching out to our support team, either via chat or email.